Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will learn how to configure a flat discount scheme in percentage in Logic ERP. To set this up, navigate to the main menu, open the Setup module, and select the Configuration option. Then, open the Setup Scheme campaign window. First, click on Refresh. Then, enter the scheme campaign name and define the date range during which the scheme will remain active and then, save the changes. Moving on, go to the Group Options tab. Select the scheme campaign. Define the group name and choose whether you want to include fresh items or not. Press the space key in the scheme group type column. From the drop-down list, select the desired option on which the scheme will be applied. After saving the changes, proceed to the next tab called Scheme Groups. Here, you will see the scheme group name displaying the main scheme you just created. Then, using the Select Company option, choose the company or brand to which you want this scheme to be applied. Lastly, click on Save button. The selected brand will start appearing in the grid, which indicates that the scheme has been successfully set up for that particular brand. Moving on to the next step in the scheme setup, you now need to configure the slab details for the scheme campaign. To do this, go to the Configuration section from the menu and click to open the Scheme Campaign Slab Details window. Firstly, select the scheme campaign. After that, define the minimum quantity or value at which the scheme will be applied. Then select the scheme basis, which includes two options, quantity or value. Since our scheme is based on quantity, we will choose quantity here. Next, define the slab value in grid. For example, if our scheme offers a 10% discount on the sale of 2 units, then set the slab quantity as 2 and define the discount under the appropriate column such as CD, TD, or SPCD. In this case, we will enter the 10% discount in the CD column. Once all the details are defined, save the settings. Now let's see the effect in the sale bill. Open Sale Bill touchscreen window. Create a new customer. Scan or enter the item that belongs to the brand for which the scheme has been set up. Right now, enter only one quantity and save the bill. While saving, the window will appear. As you can see, the system shows the scheme under Incomplete Schemes, indicating that if one more quantity is added of this brand, the customer will receive a 10% discount. Close the window, enter a quantity of 2, and save the bill again. The scheme we created now appears under Available Schemes. Tick the checkbox to apply it to the bill, and you will see that the 10% discount has been successfully applied.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.